Come spend a day with this beautiful woman, a top fashion model. Her luxurious car, Caprice the Grand Chevrolet, and the elegant city of San Francisco. A richness of line marks the unique Caprice styling. From taillight to grille, the Caprice formal roofline. Full door glass styling, distinctive exterior trim, hideaway windshield wipers. Tell everyone, this is a very special car. Standard on this Caprice Custom Coupe, new Astro ventilation provides a continuous flow of outside air from here and here without disturbing a hair. Caprice the Grand Chevrolet gives you everything you'd expect to find in cars costing hundreds of dollars more. And Caprice does it with elegance and excitement. If your world includes the exciting, the unique, it should include Caprice, where the luxury travels with you, and at a Chevrolet price. The elegant world of Caprice is at your Chevrolet dealers now.